listen, I'm not lazy about all aspects of my life, but you can't be productive about everything. You're not Beyonce, so you have to reserve certain aspects of your life that are just for being lazy. And for me, one of those things is my hair, because most of the time I just do not have time for this. So today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite lazy girl hair hacks to make all this a lot easier. For our first set of hacks, let's start with the ponytail, every lazy girl's favorite hairstyle. Unfortunately, the average ponytail can look a little bit sad. First, you can make your ponytails look a lot more full and perky by using 2 hair ties. All you need to do is separate your hair into the top and bottom section and pull the bottom into a high ponytail. Then collect the top section, pull this into a ponytail, and secure it with the bottom one. This creates a much more perky, full-looking ponytail in a cinch. The next thing I love to do is dress up my ponytails. This just makes it look a little more purposeful and put together, as opposed to I was too lazy to wash my hair last night, so I'm wearing a ponytail. So there's lots of different ways you can dress up a ponytail. The first one is a scarf or a bandana. You just tie it around at the base of your ponytail. Another great way to make your ponytail a little more fancy is to use a piece of ribbon. You can even buy hair ties nowadays that have bows built into them to make it super simple. But the small step of just accessorizing your ponytail really makes it look dressed up and purposeful. Alright, my last ponytail hack is for the front of the ponytail. Now, I have super fine baby hairs all around my hairline. I always have, and it's always made me kind of hesitant to wear ponytails because I feel like it can look kind of empty and bare up there when I pull my hair back. A really simple fix for this is to use hair fibers. I have this little can of Topics. I've had the same can for over a year. It lasts forever, and you can just use it to gently fill in any thin spots in your hairline to make your hairline look more filled in and pronounced. This stuff obviously also works for any hair thinning that you might have as well. Next, I'm going to share with you my lazy curling technique. This is how I add some soft curls to my hair, and it takes a fraction of the time that it would to curl my entire head. I'm just going to put my hair into 2 pigtails. Then I'm going to split each pigtail into 3 or 4 sections and just quickly curl each one of those sections. Once you have all the sections curled, then you just pull the pigtails out. And then that's it. Your hair has a little bit of texture, a little bit of loose wave. Sometimes when I'm done, I will curl just the very front 2 pieces to give a little definition around my face. But that's about it. This takes me about 8 minutes in the morning to give my hair some nice loose curls. Alright, my next lazy girl hair hack is for overnight hair, which is the epitome of lazy hair. You might not believe me if I told you that I've tried pretty much every single overnight hairstyle that there is, but I've tried pretty much every single one, and this one I find to be the absolute best. All you're going to do is on each side of your hair, split each section into 2 sections, a front section and a back section. You're going to twist the sections away from you and then plop it on top of your head and secure it with a bobby pin. I have really thick hair and usually only need 1 bobby pin per section, but if you need to secure it in place, then that's fine. And then that's it. You just sleep on your hair just like this. I don't know about you, this is how I sleep. Anyways, the next morning, just take the twist down and you'll see it creates a really natural tousled look. I love this so much more than other overnight hairstyles like sleeping in braids or bubble braids, because I always find that those styles make my hair look a little more frizzy and kinky. I like using this twisted version because it gives a super soft textured wave that's just a lot more natural looking. I also love this because it is super comfortable to sleep in. Some of the overnight hairstyles I've tried are not comfortable for sleeping. Another quick lazy girl hair hack is if your hair is really staticky, all you need is a dryer sheet and just rub it over your hair really lightly. This is going to immediately remove the static from your hair and eliminate the frizziness, plus makes your hair smell really nice. My next trick is for dry shampoo, which is like heaven sent because it just means that I can wait longer in between washing my hair, which means I can wait longer in between blow drying my hair, which means I can wait longer in between styling my hair. Safe to say I'm a lover of dry shampoo. My trick is to actually put your dry shampoo in the night before as opposed to waiting for the morning to put it in. This allows the dry shampoo to sort of do its stuff while it's sitting in your hair overnight and makes it a lot more effective. If you're a true lazy girl when it comes to your hair, you probably wait way too long between salon visits like I do, and I love my stylist. So what I'm going to share with you is 2 tips that you can do to refresh your hair at home in between your trips to the salon. The first thing that I love to use is an at-home hair glaze. This is an in-shower product, and what it does is basically coat the entire hair cuticle, making your hair look more vibrant and shiny. There are two types of hair glaze, clear and tinted. The clear glazes soften your strands and enhance your hair's natural tone. And then on the other hand, you have color reviving glazes, which contain color pigments added to restore and help maintain your hair's natural color. The one that I like to use is the John Frieda Cool Brown one. Not only does this make my hair look shinier and less dull, it's really simple to use. You just put it on your hair in the shower and then rinse it away. I usually do it every 2 weeks or so. My next tip for prolonging your time between salon visits is to use a root touch-up kit. These are brilliant for, well, touching up between colors. So for me, my hair is sort of a really soft ombre, and it goes from dark brown down to sort of a light brown, sometimes blonde, depending on where I am in my hair color. But my actual natural hair color is a light brown. So as the light brown starts to grow in, I kind of end up with this like patchy look of light brown to dark brown back to the light brown blonde. So root touch-up kits are perfect for this in between trips to the salon. I use a dark brown touch-up kit at my roots, and I just mix it up according to the directions and brush it onto my roots, lightly bringing it down so there's a nice natural fade. It's the perfect way to refresh my color at home and only takes me about 25 minutes. This next hair hack is just a hairstyle that is perfect for pretty much any time you're having a bad hair day. It just helps to pull all of your hair sort of out and away from your face. All you need is a headband. You can buy cute ones like these for really affordable at Target or Forever 21, and go ahead and just place it around the crown of your head. Then taking small sections of hair, you're just going to twist it around the band of the headband, sort of covering up the stretchy part. Do that all the way around each side, and then that's it. This only takes 2 or 3 minutes, but it's a super quick hairstyle for when you want your hair out of your face, but you want it to look a little more put together. And if you decide you want your hair all the way out of your face, you can actually just tuck all of your hair this way, just using larger sections twisted around the band. And you can use this hairstyle as an updo as well. We all need some really simple little updos that we can wear that are going to make us look kind of put together, and this is my go-to one. It's sort of like a tucked bun. It's perfect for days when I don't want to do my hair, I'm having a bad hair day, it's really hot out. So all you need to do is collect your hair into a ponytail and then secure it, folding the length of the ponytail in half, so you sort of end up with one of those like C-shaped buns. Then at the base of the bun, you're going to just create a little hole, and starting at one end of your little bun, you're going to take pieces up and just tuck it inside of the hole. So just continue to work your way around, pulling each piece up, tucking it into the little hole, and then that's it. Like I said, this literally takes less than a minute and looks great on everybody. Alright guys, that does it for all these lazy girl hair hacks. I hope that you enjoyed. This video was actually really highly requested. I asked you over on the community tab of my YouTube channel which video you wanted to see next, and this one got more than 40% of the vote. Of course, you can always follow me on my social medias as well. I would love if you guys followed me over on Instagram, just because I feel like it's a really great place to sort of talk to you guys and connect. I share a lot in my Instagram stories, and it's a nice way to respond to your comments on there. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you next Sunday in my next video.